Capture audio. Hello， 还是这上面的，还是这上面的。对。那个怎么连到这个耳机上？你先去那站一会儿去，要不给它关了。你先这样说吧，先别用那啥了。Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. So we are SU, Second Chat Unit. We are manufacturer and designer for the electrical product since 2003. So now today we will introduce our product to you. Okay, so firstly our college will introduce you for our product. Okay. So okay, so firstly, she will introduce you for the PCS system. PCS is power conversion system. So let's go to the screen and to show you the details. Hello.
Hi, welcome to our live stream. It's Avery, and now I will introduce you about our product battery storage system. Now let's go on. It's our catalog. And first I will introduce you with our product PCS. PCS is multi-functional power conversion system. The functional bidirectional converter equal to can be 50 kilowatts to 250 kilowatts. And here's our application for this for PCS. Let's go on. And also here's our some models of our PCS.
他应该选哪个呀？是应该选这个 REA 这个吗？这有几个麦克风呢？有个麦克风，还是选默认的。
And now I will introduce our innovative lithium battery system.
We have the battery managed system, power managed system, and here's our features and benefits: safe and reliable, efficient and convenient, active equalization, and so on. And now this is our some specific parameters. You can see. 好的。Oh, our product is its rated voltage can be realized 480 and to 780. Now I'll introduce our main product is grid renewable energy storage system. Its GRES system is an intelligent and modular power supply equipment integrating lithium battery and MPCS. According to different applications, lithium battery bidirectional, DC-AC converter bidirectional, DC-DC converter, static switch, and power management system can be flexible combined to realize grid connected power supply, off-grid power supply, and off-grid uninterrupted power supply. And we have simple in our live stream, and now I will introduce, give you a deep understanding of our product later. Now let's go on. It's our application for GIS system. It can realize peak shaving, and it can be used as mobile power supply, and it can connect it with PV, solar system, and the diesel generator, and it can be used as backup power. Here is our system topology. The whole picture and this product is very popular, and you can see this is our different model and different capacity of our GIS system. For example, GIS 75 and to 50. 75 means its battery capacity is 75 kilowatt hour, and its PCS capacity can be realized 50 kilowatt. And also the maximum capacity of battery can realize 300 kilowatt hour, and its PCS capacity can realize 50 kilowatt hour. And this is our GIS AC system. Well, you can see this is interior picture. It has PCS, fire suppression system, lithium battery energy storage system, and air conditioner to cooling or heating. And this is our best system, and you can take it as a much more bigger GIS system. And this is our parameters, our best. You can see its voltage, its current, its hi, welcome our live stream.
And now I will introduce you with our energy management system. It's very smart, and it provides integrated control and monitoring functions for the whole scheme, collects and analyze the real-time data of various equipment in the ESS system and monitors various key data parameters in real time. It's composed of server use interface controller, machine unit, sensor, and cloud platform. And as for its main function, it can power station monitoring, energy storage management, energy efficiency management, equipment management, efficient O&M, and power quality optimization. And here is our references.
Yes, welcome to our live stream. And now I'm showing you is our GIS system. So GIS system is integrated energy storage system. And inside this system, it including the battery system and also the inverter and solar and PVT. So it's also it's very good for the distributor because it's all in one, and both the hardware and the software are designed and produced by ourselves. So it's very good for the distributor for the after sales service, and also the good price. Also it's modular design, and both the PCS, inverter, solar and PBT, and the battery modules system are produced by ourselves. So it's modular design, so it's very easy for the transport and for the installation. So it's very friendly for the end user also, and for example, for the cabling, because we have finished the most cables inside the system. So the client just need to connect the grid cable and the lost cable to the GIS system, then it's okay. So it's very good for the end user also. And for the GIS system, and it can be used for the on-grid, off-grid, and also hybrid, also microgrid. So it can use the application and the function for the peak shaving and the storage. Okay, the most application for this. Okay, so I think firstly, it's better I introduce you the configuration for the GIS system. Now you see, this is the first cabinet. The first cabinet for the system. 就是这儿一个，这不有人进来吧？你要打个招呼的。Hello, friend. Welcome to our live stream. 就是你看这儿，它会提示，然后有那个客户进来了，然后你就举一下手，或者是给我示意一下，我就说一个那啥，然后你说一声也估计也能听见。Okay, now, hello, welcome to our live stream. 就是这个，这个有个粉丝，然后你就点一下那个啥发送了。Hello, friend. 对，发送没有标就行。Hello, friend. Welcome to our live stream. Now, we are introducing you is our GIS system. So GIS system is integrated energy storage system. It can be used for the renewable energy storage, and also it can connect to the grid for the peak shaving. Okay, so firstly, I would like to introduce you the configuration for GIS system. Now you see this is the first cabinet. So this cabinet is for the electrical cabinet. As you see, there is a touch screen, and we can open the door to show you the details inside. Okay. We can. Hello, friend. Hello, Maddie. Hello, Maddie. This is a battery storage system. You can install it. You can use it to instead of the generator, diesel generator. So ICU is and Equip same company, and so now we are in our in our showroom now, showing room. Storage is only 1 hour. Yeah, for this one is 1 hour. Okay, so Madi, for this system, you can connect to the solar. You can connect to the solar system, and there is a battery. And for this system, is the battery capacity is 75 kilowatt hour, and the PCS power is 50 kilowatt. Also, there is another solar MPPT module is 50 kilowatt. So you can connect 50 kilowatt solar system in this system, and then you no need to use the diesel generator. You can choose, and you can choose to use diesel generator or not. GIS, the application for the GIS is you can storage the solar power, and you can storage the wind power in the battery system, and you can use the GIS system to discharge to your loads when there is no solar power like in the night. Or you can storage the power in the battery system when the electricity cost is lower, and then you can discharge the battery power to your loads when the electricity cost is high. So then you can get the price difference. Okay. And this is an electrical cabinet, and you can see there are different modules, and this module is STS. So STS module is monitor and control module, and it will switch between the on grid and off grid automatically. So it means you can connect the grid power in the GIS system, and when there is the grid power, when the grid power is off, so the system will automatically switch to the off grid. Off grid means the battery power supply to your loads. So this switch time is less than 10 milliseconds. So the GIS can be used for the backup power. Okay, for the battery charging, and you can charge the battery by solar, and you can charge the battery by grid, the city power utility, and you can charge the battery by diesel generator. Huh? 好的。Okay, so Miley, do you have any other question? 没事，应该，他只要能看到点人就行了。Okay, hello, Miley, do you have any other question? Okay, so we'll continue our topic about the electrical cabinet. So I have introduced you for the STS module here, and then this module is PCM. PCM is PCS module. The PCS is a bidirectional DC-AC converter. So it means it can be converted from DC to AC, and also convert DC to AC to DC. So this is a bidirectional. So generally the inverter is just a single direction. So this one is double, so this way and this way. Okay, this is just like an inverter, but it's bidirectional. And this module is 那个把那个屏幕要不要大一点？我看不太清了。 Okay, I switch the screen now. Then we can see it very clearly. Okay, now I think it's better now because we can see it clearly. Yes, you can install this GIS to the diesel generator, but you must consider how many hours your load's working, and then you must match the for example, for the diesel generator, if you have 100 kilowatt, so if the load's working for 2 hours, and it means the total power is 200 kilowatt. The load's consumption is 200 kilowatt. So you must consider 200 kilowatt for the battery. So generally, we use the battery system and the solar system, and also diesel generator together. They can combine in one system because sometimes the solar when the day is not sunshine, is there is no sunshine, so the solar cannot generate the enough power to the loads. So at this time, and you can use the diesel generator as the last power. Okay. Okay, so this module is PDMD module is 50 kilowatt, and this one is for solar and PPT. So you can connect the PV here. So just now I explained to you. So this system is very friendly for the end user. The one important point is for the cabling. So what's the GIS, the advantage for GIS system? And you can see this one. This one is for the battery, this breaker. There is breaker. I'm not sure whether you can see it very clearly, but this is a breaker, and this breaker is for the battery. It's for the battery breaker, and we have finished the cable between the battery system and the PCS system already, so you no need to care about this one. And the second is for PV. This is a breaker, and for the PV, and you can open this cable, this cover. You can open this cover, and then you can see there is a copper bar, and for a copper bar for the connector into between the for the PV, for the solar. You can connect. You can open this cover, and you can see there is a copper bar, and you can connect to your PV system here. Okay, and this one is AC in. AC input. For the AC input, you can connect to the grid, the city power, and also you can connect to the diesel generator. Okay, and the last one is AC output. So AC output will, it means it will supply the power to your loads. So you can connect to your loads. You can connect to your loads here, in this one. Okay. Okay, so the last important. Okay, now I show you is the GRES 7550. So this one is for the battery cabinet. For the battery cabinet, and the 50 kilowatt is for the PCS. Now you see here is a touch screen. As you see here, this touch screen is a PMS. Can you see here? This is a touch screen, and this touch screen is for the local power management system. So we can see the system status. 能放大一点吗？ Okay, we enlarge the the screen, and we can see it more clear. Okay, I think now it's more clear to see this touch screen, and this touch screen is a local power management system. So we can see the status and the data for the whole system here. And as you see, you can see the PV power, the grid power, and the battery power, and the load power here. And you can see the AC voltage and the worker status, DC voltage, AC current, online numbers, and DC current. This is the home page, and you can see the status and the main data for the whole system. And for the information, and you can see, you can check the information for about the grid, and the DC is means for the battery, and the PCM is for the inverter, and your load data, and energy. So energy is the AC discharge energy and AC charge energy. Also the AC reactive energy, the charging energy, discharging energy, MPPT energy. So you can see the whole system important data here. This one is for the solar PPT. Okay, this is for the environment, and like the temperature and humidity, also the air conditioner, firefighting system, fire. Okay, this is information, and also the alarm for the current alarm in history. Here you can see, and also there is a setup. You can see setup. The first one is general. General is for language and the data, time, the password, and also the LCD, the bright, and the contrast, and also etc. Also there you can set up the basic data like a grid parameter and a control parameter, and then you can see you can choose the control mode here. You can use the remote. Remote it means you must connect your EMS to the GIS system, and then you can choose the remote, the control by remote. And also you can choose the local. The local mode is means you can set up the all data from this touch screen. And if you choose the remote, and you need to set up the data by from your computer or your phone, and by the EMS. Okay, it's also the work mode. So it's different work mode, in like the peak shaving, the off-grid, and on-grid, hybrid, microgrid, like this. And the grid power limit data, and also the power level parameter here. And this is the comments, the network parameter is for the network and environment, and the pre-alarms here. And auto, there is the auto control parameter. And so for the GIS system, we can set up the charge and discharge time and power. Then the system will renew automatically. And you can see this is you can see charge the set up the charge discharge status. And you can set up charge or discharge here, and yeah, and then the system will renew automatically.